ShareFactory Studio Snippets for noobs. Whenever you want to edit some text, you need to go to the text menu. So you push the square button and click on Edit Overlays. Once you've done that, you push the square button again and it will take you to this menu, which will give you all the options you want to make any edits. So ShareFactory Studio has the option of layering your text, and what that means is if you've got multiple text on your screen, you can move them about so that one sits behind the other, or one goes in front of the other, so you can change the layer of the text. You can move it around first of all to get it how you want it by pushing the square and then going to transform. So you can just move it about how you want it, and then if you want to layer the text, you just need to move the red box to which text you want to change, push the square button, go to layer order, and then you can use the L1 or R1 to move that text up and down. And if you move it up, then it's going to go in front of the text. So if you see on the left hand side, there's that column. If you move it to the top, it will mean it will be on top of all the other text. Let's show you that in a better way of seeing it. So I've added a sticker here, which is just a speech bubble, and you can see on the left hand side we've got a speech bubble showing there as well, and then we've also got the text that I've added, and again that's shown on the left hand side. So at the moment I've got the red box around the text, and I can go to layer order, and then I can just push the L1 or R1 to change the level. So now I've moved the text to above the speech bubble, and you can see on the left hand side it's now on top, therefore it is above the speech bubble and will show on top of that. So then we can just go back to transform, change the text to the right size, and there you go, it's within the speech bubble, and that's added that on top of the speech bubble. Hopefully that explains layering of text in ShareFactory clearly enough. Watch this complete guide next, which has many other tips and tricks for using text on ShareFactory Studio. It's on the screen now, so watch that next, and don't forget to like and subscribe so you don't miss out on more ShareFactory tips that make you a better ShareFactory editor. Thanks.